Hello, are you planning road trip with your kids? Perfect, you're at the right place. I will provide you the perfect checklist to have a happy and safe travel with your kids. If you pack in a way as I suggest you will never gonna miss anything. Of course, everybody start packing with their clothing stuff. Besides clothing, I will first pack my baby essentials like moisturizer, diaper rash cream, D3 drops. It is better to carry gas drops, Tylenol and band-aids. I will carry the diaper mat, diapers, bed sheets, blankets and towels of their own for my kids. These are the things I carry from our bedroom. Coming to the dressing and bathroom, I will carry a perfume, combs, some makeup stuff, hair clips, hair ties. I carry mug, body soap, toothpaste, toothbrushes. I carry mug because it will be easy for me to give bath to my babies. If they are potty trained, carry their potty seat. I also carry an Instapot, baby sippy cups, an extra cup, bowl, plate, spatula and spoons, ghee, salt, sugar, white rice, dal, some baby porridge powder. It is a homemade baby porridge powder. If you want to know how to make this, I will add the link in description box. You can follow it. As per your baby food habits, you can carry a blender or a toaster as a replacement to these cooking items. If it is a long distance, I will store the baby porridge in this flask to feed the babies on the go. I will carry Pedialyte with me to keep the babies hydrated. I also carry some snacks, tissues, hand sanitizer, hand soap, dish soap and a scrubber. Coming to my electronic space, I will carry my laptops, camera, watches, mobiles and their chargers. If it is summer season, I will carry hat, umbrella and sunscreen, or else I will carry my winter wear. Coming to garden area, make arrangements to keep the soil wet. Try to carry a pair of flip-flops or sandals. Finally, throw your trash. That's it, you're done. If you categorize and pack accordingly, you will never miss a thing. Have a happy and safe trip. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.